Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and for this What's New Wednesday, I have some Happy Mail to unbox, so let's get into it. This first package is from Meena's Happy Life. So there is a note and it says, Rachelle, I have been a subscriber and watched your channel for years. I love your work and much respect. I would love to gift you some of my work and have you please review it on your channel. I value your opinion very much. Please enjoy these bits that can be used for planning, journaling, or scrapbooking. Thanks so much. Meena's Happy Life. So let's see what's in here. This is Meena's Happy Life. I will link to the shop in the description box below. Oh, I already like what I see. Let's put this on the washi board. Dun, dun, dun. So this is like a little thank you card. So this cleaning day appointment, another thank you. Sampler, I guess it would be. And we have these dolls. They are cute. I can use these on my monthly. I need to work on my monthly. Okay. Then we have this Poncho Mama. I like the little floral corners. Those are nice. Fall. Meena's Happy Life at Etsy Fall Light Deco. Nice. Ooh. I like these. Getting things done. Now, I don't know how long this was in my post office box. I don't remember the last time that I went and checked it. That's bad. Maybe a little over a week, I'm guessing. Oh, this is right up my alley. Hello, pumpkin. Light the fireplace. Fall in love. Warm and cozy. Light a candle. Brunch. Pumpkin latte. Getting things done. Moisturize. Today, do not touch my pen. So these are fall scripts. So these are all fall stickers, and unfortunately I can't use them right now because we're already moving into Christmas. But I really like them and I look forward to using them. I'm gonna have to check this shop out. But that is real happy mail from Meena's Happy Life. Thank you, Meena's Happy Life, for thinking of me and sending me this. And maybe I can do one more fall spread. We'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that too. Then I also have this package from Yolanda C. It's postmarked the 18th. Let me see when this is postmarked. Oh, this one was postmarked 11/8, so it's been sitting there. I gotta be more conscious about checking my box. I write it down, but I don't always get to it. So this again is from Yolanda C. And let's see what's in here. Oh, let's see if there's a note. Yes. It says, hey Rachelle, okay, I know, laugh out loud. I was doing a final purge and knew you might need/use some of these items. As before, if not, feel free to give to someone or donate. All the best, Yolanda. Okay. So if you don't know what she means about, okay, I know, I just recently received a big box from Yolanda full of goodies, and I will link to that video unboxing in the iCard up above. It was very exciting. So let's see what she forgot. I'm just gonna take out a little at a time, I think. No, let's just dump it all out. Oh, I see something already. Oh, I need that. How does she know? She must really pay attention. Okay. Alrighty, let's see. We got papers. And I know where this came from. Let's start with the smaller things. So this came out of the box. These are journal cards from Simply Gilded. They're also called dashboards. Yeah, so you can use them as dashboards in your 4x6 or any other planners. The larger planners, you could like put it in the middle of the page. Say this is A5. You could like have some scrapbook paper and then put your card there. You could turn it into a pocket. Lots of things you can do with them. But for now, I'm just hoarding mine, and I keep them in one of those 4x6 photo albums from Walmart or Dollar Tree. Okay, this is Park Lane. Neutrals, 50 sheets, 10 of each color. And is it just cardstock? Let's see. I don't really want to open it. It has black, white, and cream. It measures 6 by 8. So you could use this in an A6 planner. Let's see. Yeah, it's cardstock. So you could actually even make 4x6 cards with this, folded in half. You could use these as dashboards in your traveler's notebook, cut it in half, use it as a dashboard in your A6 rings. This is nice. These are smaller pieces of cardstock that I can definitely use. Maybe I should challenge myself and make a journal with things that I received from Yolanda. I might do that. That could be interesting. Okay, so let's see what this is. These are some type of scrapbook papers, I guess. It's cardstock weight. It looks like pages. Let's see. This is scrapbook paper. It's just cut down. So like this is already ready to go in a journal. And it's double-sided, which I like. This could be like a summer journal. The beginnings of it. Okay, so there's that. And then these, I'm gonna leave those with it because I have ideas. Thank you, Yolanda. Oh, this is funny. Okay. It was nice to go to the post office and be a little surprised today, by the way. So these are tags. I have some of these really heavyweight chipboard tags from Michael's, I believe. And they're already decorated, but you could decorate them some more. Could gesso over them, turn them into mixed media tags if you're not happy with the design. But yep, that's what they are, tags. And washi tape. Christmas washi. Fa la 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 la. You got some Christmas trees. The Christmas cars, vehicles carrying the Christmas tree, and then buffalo plaid. I think I know where this is from. I really like the Christmas trees. I don't have anything like that. Then this, oh, these are tags from Michael's. Yeah, I see plaid. The string is in here to attach to the tags. So, oh, these are nice. Ready to go. Happy holidays in plaid. And these are coffee cups. in holiday colors. Oh, so these are like a light plaid, I think, and then the sweater design. Okay, so that's it for the tags. Now this is paper. Let me keep her note over here. So this looks like a sea theme from a sea paper pad summary. So is this. So there's like a peachy color. You got washed wood look. Oh, and the mermaid paper. That's pretty. If you can't see, can you see that? There's mermaids. That's pretty. That's unique. I hadn't seen that one. Make your own waves. Refresh, relax, recharge. Ooh, that's pretty. And you know I don't like realistic papers, but that one is pretty. I could get down with that. Happiness comes in waves. More washed wood. Seashells. Yeah, this all came from like a ocean themed. I'm gonna make a journal with these. And then this is the sampler page for the papers. That's basically a whole paper pad. Make time for what you love. Some more scales. So all of that is pretty much one set that goes together, I think. So then we get into the plaids, which are Christmassy. This is a nice quality paper. What is this? Miss Kate's Cuttables. This feels really nice, and it's going in my Christmas planner for sure. We have this one, this plaid. So we have the buffalo plaid going left and right, and then we have the buffalo plaid on a diagonal. So we had two versions. This is plaid, and this is actually paper, scrapbook paper. The red buffalo plaid. So here's my Christmas planner. These will be going in there. We got a couple of sheets of that special, it's like a specialty paper. It feels like it has like a plastic or wax coating on it. It feels really sturdy. So we have the plaid, buffalo plaid, and then just the regular buffalo plaid. I think this is some more of the sea paper. Yes, it is. So that goes with this. Then we have some buffalo plaid vellums. And some buffalo plaid paper. This is going in my other planner. I took it in my room, so I don't have it in here right now. But yep, lots of buffalo plaid to play with. Then this one. So this is some black cardstock. Can never have enough of that. And let's see. We got a rainbow of colors of cardstock. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Cool. Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. This is a foiled scrapbook paper. It's paper. How can I use this? So pretty. Okay. Oop, and I got lots of, oop. Oh, I don't have to use it sparingly. I got plenty of it. So yeah, it's plenty of sheets of that. Oh, wow. That's a nice paper. Okay, very exciting, and I think I am going to do that challenge for myself to use mostly items from Yolanda to make a journal. So that'll be over on my other channel, Journal Life's Journey. Make sure you subscribe to that channel, and I will also try to remember to post in the community tab when I post over there. But yeah, so a lot of this is going in my Christmas planner. In my other buffalo plaid planner, I'm going to take these out because that's where they are going, and then the rest I can use however. Okay, so I'm going to put that up there, and then maybe I can make another sea-themed mermaid journal with these. We shall see. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much again, Yolanda. I love everything. I'm going to put it to use. Can't wait to start playing with the papers. I'm really excited to use the buffalo plaids in my Christmas planner, and everything else. It's just awesome. Thank you so much. This was very unexpected. I was so surprised that I had Happy Mail at the post office. But anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.